Hello friends, this is the third video of Podophyllum. Here we will see the other polarity of Podophyllum, how he goes into the other extreme where he was into love exalted and beautiful things yearning for, harmony desire for, caressing desire for, affability, affectionate, returns affection, those who love him, those who gift him something, he is also reciprocating it. He is also sensitive to what others are doing to him. Activity desires, creative activity, the firmness that he had, the loquacity that he had, that we have done in the first part. So now he comes into the other polarity where he feels that there is no use of doing anything, rectification desire for, to rectify desire for, that if I can make some changes, maybe there are some mistakes, maybe that by doing this act, if things can work in a better way. So he is actively involved in the process of maintaining harmony, process of getting that love that he is giving to others. So in that, now he's, there is one rubric, children, beget and to have children. So he wants to nurture, he wants to continue this process of having children, giving his values to others, to the generation next. And this is the growth and productivity that he wants to see of his family also. So now he comes into a state where he is delusion about to die, delusion he has an incurable disease. So he goes into the other extreme. He already has a sense, delusion, going to have a heart disease and die. Why heart disease? Again with that emotion, that love, what he is giving, he's not getting it, as if life were unreal. All this is going around, whatever is happening in his life, with the way people are behaving, it's all unreal, it's all artificial. People are not the way he expected, or the purity with which a relation should have been executed. He loses it all, discontented with surroundings, fear evil, impending fear of evil, foreboding something terrible going to happen. So all this fear start creeping in, despair, religious salvation off. So again he feels that nothing can mend my way, neither I am going to reach to salvation. Religious despair of salvation, taking God's name, doing any religious act is also not going to save me now, or not going to give me any salvation. So gradually he deteriorates, he goes into extreme pathological condition, and in that pathological condition, maybe diagnosed with a big disease, maybe on the bed, maybe he's still able to he's not on the bed exactly, but he is able to move around, but mentally he has detached himself, he's dissociated himself completely. He's indifferent to many things, indifferent to adverse circumstances, no matter what happens to his family, to his work, whatever adversities they are facing, he is completely indifferent to that how much to take it, tranquility reconciled to fate, and then going into or coupling with that indifference to adverse circumstances, that this is a part of life. If we are destined to face it, if this is written in our fate, then I cannot change it. So he stops taking complete action for it, to mend it, to make things better. It is not making any difference now. Indifference to business affairs, indifference, complaint does not. Whom do we complain to? Why do we complain? Complain is to bring about a rectification. Complain is to an authority who has the ability and the rights to bring amendments in society or to the matters of concern. But Podophyllum identifies that there is no point in telling anything to anyone. They are going to be the way they are. Indifference, complaint does not. That is why I have no interest in complaining to anyone, and it can be seen in an acute state as well as in a chronic state, in an extreme form. So it could be a state of content where he is just self-satisfied and he doesn't want to complain, and it could be the other polarity where he is in self-denial, and that is why he doesn't want to complain. So what is the self-denial of Podophyllum? Like we saw, the self-denial of Staphysaegria is denying himself the pleasures of life. okay, denying himself what he loves to do. And in Podophyllum, he denies himself those things which can bring about growth in him, which can make him more productive, which can make him a contributing person for the welfare of his family, for himself. First welfare the person should concern with is himself. So Podophyllum denies those things which can bring about an overall growth of him as a human being. Okay, he can be more contributing to the family in various other ways, but he denies himself his own growth and productivity, and that is the difference. Staphylos aureus will deny himself the pleasure, but he will go on pursuing his ambitions. He will go on pursuing what his desires were in terms of his growth and productivity, whereas Podophyllum will refrain from doing all those things. Okay, that is why it is not there in ambition. Indifference has no desire nor action of will. Indifference, so there is no willingness, no desire nor action of will. Now there are two things, one is will and one is desire. So I will go there. So will has a determination, will has a strong desire, will be a will. Okay, I will and no desire. So desire is something that may or may not be fulfilled, something that the person wants and he doesn't know whether, but I want it, I desire for it, maybe I won't get it. So Podophyllum does not have any desire nor any willingness to do anything. Indifference to duties, indifference to everything, to his family, to his husband, indifference to joy of others, indifference, joyless. He has lost the charm in living completely. Indifference to ordinary matters. Ordinary matter is what? This is very ordinary matter that when I'm sitting in front of you, I want to wear a earring, I want to put a bindi, and the ordinary things that I will cook for my children or doing something, cleaning the house is an ordinary thing. But these ordinary matters, day-to-day matters, also he becomes indifference to. So indifference others toward, indifference to all reprimands. People are telling him that what are you doing, do this, do that. It is not making any difference to Podophyllum. Laziness, postponing work. There is one rubric, discrimination, lack of. So one part of discrimination, lack of could be in the beginning where he feels that all are the same because he wants to maintain harmony. There is no big small, all are of one, we are one family, we are one society. But in the other polarity, it could be discrimination, lack of, where there is no difference between you and me, between upper caste and lower caste. All are neutral, all are rowing in the same boat. There is no difference between any caste, creed, nothing. Caste, creed is a big thing, but not even that. About children and elders also, he feels all are the same. Nobody can make a difference, nobody can do anything contributing to my fulfillment, my desires getting fulfilled or understanding me to any level. That is the discrimination, lack of. He feels that it's no point telling to anybody now because all are the same, whether it is my mother-in-law or whether it is my daughter. They all are the same. They are just looking after their fulfillments and their desires and their whatever they want to pursue or however they want to think. They cannot think what I want from them. So there is a discrimination, lack of. There is no difference in the relations now. All look the same. Distance, inaccuracy of. Distances, inaccurate judgment of. This is the rubric actually. So distances, it is not just one distance going from A to B. It is distances. Anywhere I go, there is inaccuracy of judgment. That how much distance is what in Hindi we say duriyan. So duriyan, it is not one distance, it is distances. So although that person is staying in the same house, but if they are not related heart to heart, that is the distance that is created with one person. The other person also like that, other person, they are saying they all stay with you, they all care for you, they are all doing all this, but he can't get it. He feels that the distances are there now. So that could be one interpretation, and other interpretation of course could be the physical distances inaccuracy of where he can't travel to the right places. He feels it is very close. He can call somebody from US and say that it's a very place very close to us, so just call him. So it could be a per se that way also. Cheerful, thoughtless. So that was the earlier state where he did not think. I just read it. I'm sorry. This should not be over here. Actually, this is cheerful state. Maybe it could be that he appears cheerful to people. He's not paying attention to anything, and he's thoughtless. He's not thinking about it anymore. He's just left it. Okay. Laziness, postponing the work we've done, neglecting important things. This remedy, for the first time I heard from Dr. Rupali Jadhav, and she had shown a very beautiful case of a man who had actually neglected many important things of his life, like going to office or shaving. How can a young man just not shave? So nowadays it's a trend and it's a fashion statement, the style statement by Virat Kohli. It's invented, but that was not the time of Virat Kohli. And a young man actually, even with his beard, he makes it so perfectly fine, with all the edges and all, well done. But in Podophyllum, in neglecting important thing for us today is what? To keep going the lessons of our children, taking them, taking their studies and looking after the household work, and all those are important matters. If they are not done, if they are not looked after, for a doctor, what is important is going to the clinic, looking after patients. And if you start neglecting them, so you are again going backwards. You are withdrawing from living your life, from the responsibility, from the duties. So Podophyllum, so it could be that there is a marriage in the house of a own elder brother, own sibling, and that also he is not wishing to go attend to, and no contribution. That is an important thing. Important things can vary from time to time, situation to situation. So from her I had learned this remedy, and she even presented, Dr. Rupali, a condition of an ICU case of Podophyllum also case, in which this similar presentation was there, and I have applied it. There's this case of psoriasis, which was entire scalp was full of psoriatic patches. That lady was around 64 years old, and she had complete white hair, okay, complete silver hair she had come to me with. And her husband had brought her actually. Her husband started treatment, and then he told her that you also take treatment. And she was like, okay, this was her reaction. And then I saw her behind her ears, it started those thick patches, and it was a very bad scenario for me to see. And she told that she has these patches since her childhood. I was just shocked and taken aback that all her life she has lived with those white patches. How can it be possible? She never dyed her hair. So for a lady, that is the important thing, to maintain the beauty. And that is what women are very much worried about. They start dyeing, they put mehendi so that their hair are black and they want to maintain it. But she did not do. She never felt like. So in the background it was that she was the youngest of the 7 siblings that they were, and everything was taken care of. There is one nice rubric, carried desire to be carried over the shoulder, that you take my entire responsibility over the shoulder, meaning on somebody else's shoulder she wants to be carried. That my complete I'm putting my all weight on your shoulders. So I'm shouldering somebody's responsibility. Shoulders are responsibility, and for everything. She was the youngest one. She did not have anything to do. Her siblings, they provided. Unke kapde. How it is that their garments are small. They grow, and their garments are given to the younger one. Then younger one's clothes are given to the youngest one. So that is how everything was provided to her, right from clothes to books to accessories. She had nothing to bother about, and she lived in that content state for all the entire life. She lived in that content. She told, I tried some treatments initially, but nothing worked out, so I left it. When medicines are not working, so what is the use of taking them? So I just left it. She was a lawyer by profession. Her husband had transferable jobs, but she gave in to the profession of being a lawyer. She was practicing earlier, but since the husband's transfer took place, and she was a South Indian, so when husband moved to North India, she had that language barrier, and for that she told, it is okay, let me just give in, let me just be a homemaker now, because I can speak or explain people only in English, there people want Hindi. So I thought, let it be. No. And then even after we came to south of India, again he got a transfer. Then I just left it because I had 2 sons to look after. My husband was very short tempered, so there has to be someone who keeps the balance in the house. So that is how this entire journey I had given her podophyllum, and all the patches had cleared so beautifully that even when she came for the follow up and I asked her, Ki, how are you? She's like, I'm fine. I'm like, so how are your patches? How is your scalp now? How's the skin there? I don't know, it must be there. So I was like, you have not checked? Well, no, there used to be some powdery thing falling off from my eyebrows on my eyes constantly. That has stopped now. I don't have that irritation anymore. But scalp, I don't know. So I went to see, her entire scalp was clear. It just happened few months time. I just had to go to Podophyllum 30 and give a single dose of 200 after a month's time, and it was all beautifully cleared. So that was how that content, that sweetness of Podophyllum is definitely there. The way they talk, the way they are, even in the last stage, they don't have to complain about anything. You have to question them a lot. So I have given to few more people like this on this basis only. The way they say, they seem to be like belladonna, they seem to be like carcinosin, but their content is much higher than them. Okay, so hope you like this journey, and I would do more compare contrast of these remedies very soon. Do like, comment and subscribe. It keeps me going. Thank you so much. Bye.